Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the LG Dishwasher Door Hinge Spring. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door hinge spring. The door hinge spring goes in between the cable and the frame. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged and the door is not opening or closing properly. In order to change the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out of the cabinets, so we're going to go underneath and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line in the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First, we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off, and then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down, and then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we can close the cabinet doors and open the dishwasher. Once you have the dishwasher door open, use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold it to the countertop. Now that we have both screws out, we're going to lift up the door and carefully use it to start the dishwasher out from the cabinets. Once you have it out a little bit, you can grab the frame and pull it out the rest of the way. Now that we have the dishwasher out of the cabinet, we need to remove the side panel. It doesn't matter which side the part you're changing is on, they both come off the same way. We're going to do the left side on ours. There's 2 screws on the front and 3 on the back. We're going to use a Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws. Once you have the ones in the front out, we can go around back. Once you have the last screw out, you can carefully lift the panel off and set it aside. Once you have the side panel off, we're going to close the door so it's latched and out of the way. And then we can change the part. The door hinge spring runs in between the cable and the mount on the frame. To get it off, we just have to lift it up so it comes off the mount. Once you have it unhooked from the top, we can unhook it from the cable. Once you have it off the cable, we can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old door hinge spring next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door hinge spring on, we're just going to grab the cable and hook it on. And then we can stretch it up and hook it onto the frame. Once you have the new door hinge spring installed, we can put the side panel back on. So we're going to open up the door so we can have room for the screws to go in. Once you have the door open, we're going to grab the panel. And you want to set the bottom in first. There's a little lip down there that has to go into the frame. Once you have it in place, we can lift it up into place. And then we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Now that we have the side panel on, we can close the dishwasher door. Now we have to reach underneath and put the lines through the cabinets. we want to push the dishwasher in about halfway. Then we can go underneath the sink and pull on the lines to make sure they're not caught on anything. Then we can push the dishwasher in the rest of the way. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16 inch nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8 inch wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines reconnected, we can open up the dishwasher and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws that hold it to the countertop. Now that we have the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.